In this video, I will show you why Bluedot is a game changer for digital productivity through a detailed Bluedot AI tutorial. When comparing AI note-takers, the biggest trade-off is usually the intrusive bot that joins your calls. Bluedot differentiates itself by offering an invisible, privacy-first experience, where you can record meetings on Zoom, Google Meet, or Teams without a bot actually entering the room. This makes your conversations feel more natural and secure, which is a massive win for sensitive client calls. The contrast becomes even clearer when you look at the versatility of the platform. While most competitors focus only on desktop browser extensions, Bluedot is built for cross-device synchronization, working across your phone, and even a smartwatch for in-person capture. In this tutorial, we will see how the tool supports over 100 languages, making it a superior choice for international teams. A standout feature is the global AI chat. Unlike basic transcription tools that only look at one meeting at a time, Bluedot allows you to ask questions across multiple sessions, such as asking what a client thought of a proposal over the last 4 meetings. It even provides clickable timestamps so you can jump straight to the source. For teams using Salesforce, HubSpot, or Slack, the native integrations ensure your CRM is updated automatically. It's GDPR compliant and SOC 2 audited, used by companies like Netflix and Disney, so you know your data is secure and never used to train AI models. Whether you need sales notes or recruitment summaries, the custom templates offer a professional edge. If you found this comparison helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more AI tutorials. Drop a comment below if you prefer your AI note-taker to be invisible or visible.